Hello, welcome to our channel for creating digital content with artificial intelligence. Today, we will show you a new tool that you can use.
Step 1. Register for the free trial of the KeyGen tool. It used to be called Movio. Now it is Higan Video Generator, and you can look for the link in the video description. Step 2. After entering the free trial, you can create an avatar to be the presenter of the video. To do this, go to the avatar menu and click Upload Talking Photo to upload your photo. Wait for the process to complete. Once the photo has been uploaded, verify that it is in the Talking Photo section. Step 3. Click on the photo and then click on Create Avatar Template. Now, choose the display mode, such as original, square, or circle. Step 4. Select a voice for your avatar from the voice selection menu. Step 5. To ensure that the quality of your avatar video gives the best results, make sure to enable the super resolution option. Once everything is set up, click Save as Template to save your changes. Step 6. Click the plus button on your avatar to select the orientation of the video. Choose your preference. Step 7. To add a background photo or video, you can upload it from your computer using the Assets menu or use your stock images and videos from the Items menu. Choose your photo or video and then right-click and select Set as Background to apply the selected media as the video background. Step 8. Add your script in the Text Script section. Play your voice script to make sure the result is correct. To preview your final settings, click the Preview button.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
Step 9. Once everything is set up, click the Submit button to begin rendering your avatar video. Wait for the process to complete. Then you will have your video presenter. You already learned one way to do it, and let's continue with another way to do it. Now, use the AI avatar generator to create a random and unique talking avatar. Follow the steps below.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
Step 1. Go to the avatar menu and select Generate Talking Photo. Step 2. Set your preferences, such as avatar pose, avatar gender, and avatar style. You can use presets for the avatar appearance or write your custom message. Do the same with your avatar outfit. Step 3. Once everything is set up, click the Generate button to start generating your random AI avatar. Wait for the generation process to complete. Movio will provide 4 options. You can use all of them, or if you are not satisfied with the result, change your settings to try to generate a better avatar. After finding your desired avatar, click Save to save it. Step 4. Now, you can use your AI-generated avatar in your video. Here is the result of this AI avatar generator video tutorial. Remember that with this tool you don't need to record or upload your video. You can use your photo and the AI swap face function and thus improve your way of producing videos.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with Hey Jen.
Thank you for visiting our artificial intelligence content channel. Give it a like if you liked our video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay up to date with these fantastic tools.